Mortgage farms are underwater. Many of you lost your homes.
Your tired excuse to thwart Kentucky law.
We will make homes affordable again.
You will bankrupt the state again.
I just won the popular vote and lost the presidency because of that corrupt bargain between Adams and that polecat Clay.
Failed banks, foreclosures, the farmers need relief.
Sir, is it wise to draft a bill to nullify the state Supreme Court?
Damn the conservative courts and overturn our bailout laws.
But sir,
We will have a new court in place. When I am senator,
we will disrupt the insidious machinations.
the insidious machinations of the Bank of the United States.
And this speech, Kendall, disrupt the insidious machinations of the Bank of Kentucky. You have outdone yourself.
Oh, you flatter me.
Strength in numbers.
I am your General Jackson.
I am your General Jackson.
I was supposed to meet General Jackson today.
Out of my way, old man. You smell like shit.
Boy! And where did you find such a prize?
Well, I owe the meeting to my brother. He told me not to ask where he dug her up.
Miss Cook. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to meet you.
It is no wonder the colonel here has achieved such success.
State banks are formed and backed by crooked politicians.
We can crush the old court faction.
Oh, I can use my newspaper to sway the court.
And those at our nation capital are not corrupt. I swear by this glorious moon, I will marry you, Annie Cook. Oh, let me die.
Do you love me, Solomon? Colonel Sharp, am I to surmise by this spirited young man's presence that he has been assigned to me?
To your case, yes.
I didn't believe my business with you to be so taxing. You need a younger man.
Diana, I've come.
I know.
Bowchamp, it's getting late, and I have not dined.
I will not be handled by you, sir.
Yet you agreed to handle Miss Cook. Seems to me that you've gotten yourself emotionally involved.
She has implored me to bring you back.
Solve the question.
She is gravely ill. She asked to see you.
Well, you told me as much. I will not go.
Miss Cook, sir, is with child.
Now, God!
Are you the father, Beauchamp?
If you ever say a thing like that to me again, I'll kill you where you stand.
Bowchamp, you are out of line.
This weasel is the father. Try to deny the truth.
I swear, on my honor as a U.S. Congressman, I never had carnal relations with that woman.
You are not a U.S. Congressman anymore.
If he leaks this to Darby, there'll be hell to pay.
Your Jonathan Swift declared a baby especially tasty, baked, boiled, or stewed.
Or roasted on a sacrificial fire, as was your baby with Ann Cook.
Hannah, the loss I know is unbearable. But I entreat you not to forsake this life.
Had you not been coming this past few weeks, I would have ended it all.
You are loved, Anna. Your death would break Kita's heart.
and mine.
The villain cannot live to rule the house. I'll challenge him. If he'll not duel fairly, I'll gouge his breast. I'll feast upon his heart before his soulless eyes.
Oh,
I admire you, Anna. I have admired the way that you have borne your suffering. Your fortitude. What Sharp has done.
please don't say his name.
You are the most amazing woman I have ever known. Were I a writer, Eloise's name would pale in comparison to yours. Bo and Anna would both be renowned. And as your dear friend, as one who loves you, I ask that you consent to be my wife.
Oh, Bo, you know my history and my shame.
I'll never love another so much as I love you.
Well, if you're content to have a poor wife with a broken heart and a blighted name, then you can take me.
Our congressman's been murdered.
Solomon will be sainted in due time. In due time, I will become president. We will prove Darby the murderer. Colonel Sharp is sure to be Kentucky's most famous martyr. Henry Clay's support will slip. I will win Kentucky.
So the hearings to remain in chambers.
You don't want to air your dirty laundry.